Instagram, quite arguably one of the most used social media applications with a global average of 53 minutes spent per day, second only to Facebook at 58 minutes in 2019. The app is mostly used on Android or Apple phones via the Instagram app, but can be viewed on desktop using a browser such as Firefox or Chrome, or if you're on Windows 10 using the Instagram Windows 10 app. One slight hitch with the Windows 10 app is that you can't seem to see all the photos in a post with multiple photos. Whereas the mobile app allows you to either just swipe left or right and the web version has arrows to click on, the Windows 10 app seems to be just stuck there. There is however a way to do it when you're on a post with multiple apps on the Windows 10 app. For this you'll need a laptop with a trackpad which allows multi-gestures. When you're viewing a post with multiple photos, just place the mouse cursor within the image itself, and then use 2 fingers on your trackpad and swipe right to move right, or swipe left to move to the left. And now you can fully appreciate all posts on the Windows 10 app for Instagram. If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe buttons and share it as well. Thank you for watching. Bye for now.